Bilangan 4,000 representatives from the Philippine Air Force sent by Secretary General and the representatives from the Philippines led by now, ladies and gentlemen, time to report for the capabilities of the Marine Division. The Day-9 thoughts are used for exposing sector and rescue operations. Leading country SWAT, this mission is to go to the enemy of the fire and to report or capture or retaliate for fire, and counterattack. The designated marksman or enlist group. They are an organic part of the party and operate together with the main force. They are responsible for providing accurate fire over longer regions. The 21st Cavalry Company in their armament units. The V1 Infantry Commando is dismounted. The commando, an armored fighting vehicle, is a combination protected by strong armor and general army counter-terrain, which combines operational mobility, tactical offensive, and defensive capabilities. The Sigma Fighting Vehicle or SFV with dismounted team. The mechanized infantry will often fight in conjunction with armored vehicles to form a combined force. The field artillery, the 105mm howitzer, is used to destroy, defeat, or destroy the enemy with integrated fire capable maneuver commandos to dominate unified land operations. The towed mortars are from Charlie Battery 2nd Field Artillery Battalion. The Emergency Response Company Rainbow Rubber Boat. The TRR Rubber Boat is used for rapid deployment and tracking rescue and rescue operations to standard international modalities. The Emergency Response Company is led by First Lieutenant Adrian D. Unified Infantry Philippine Army. And the Forward Service Medical Company. The FSMC provides second and fourth medical care on the direct support basis.
University President, Mr. Teresa Abasilia City, Director, Student Development Sciences and Leaders of our Medellina Area, OITD, ACA Director, Mr. Ramon Roman, Consider, Global Park, Article, Angela, Mary, Readers, and